Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and one area that you might want to go check on your car and make sure you keep clean, which is often overlooked, is this inner jam area for the trunk. This is how it comes from the factory, and something I saw on Facebook was somebody posted where theirs was completely filled with resin. I don't think that that's something that was factory. That may have been done to prevent rust, because you do get a lot of rust up in here because all of the water that runs down off of the rear window, and whenever you wash the car, it's going to get down in here. And so if you get something flat like this, preferably a wooden one. Somebody commented on one of my videos, a really good idea was one with like the paint sticks that you get to mix paint, like 5-gallon buckets of paint, because you want to make sure you do it gently, you don't scratch. But you can get down in here in the flat areas with a nice microfiber and clean it up the best that you can. There will be some grease from the hinges, so don't worry about it too much. It's okay to have some grease in there too. But coming around the back side here, you can get this nice and clean, and it's something you should keep up with just so that you don't get a lot of rust, especially if you're in very humid climates. I'm in the desert where it isn't too bad. Now my GT, you can see it's more of a daily driven car. It sits outside, I drive it in the rain, and I cleaned this out when I got it back a few years ago, and you can see it already looks pretty bad again. But something I'll mention too is, definitely on these struts for the trunk, they can start to leak a little bit and some oil will come out of them, so it makes it a little bit messy. So you could probably see that around this area you'll get some oil and moisture. That's where some of the gunk is coming from. But you can get down in here and clean it the best that you can. And on earlier models, it did seem like they did put some resin down in here, but not like I had seen. And as you notice, the resin is actually body color painted. It is okay if you do see some little globs down in there. I haven't seen it on any of my 03 or 04 cars, so maybe it's something they kind of got away from. But here on my 2001, you can see that putty resin looking stuff in there. And so I think it was part of the factory to do that, but it would have also been painted white or match the car is what it looks like here for mine. So anyway, let me know what you have on yours. Let me know if you have the full thing resined in as other people have seen, and if you know any more details. But I saw somebody post that they built the cars on the assembly line and they didn't come that way. So anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks guys.